back. Welcome to Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. It's a lifestyle channel. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my Price's kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and IG. So hello, my Prices family, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. Today, we're in my priceless kitchen. No, we're not at the stove. We are at my tea station. Yeah, but it's summertime, PKJ. That's right. And so my tea station, no hot tea. It's 97 degrees outside. So we're turning it into our snack station for my family and guests, of course. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. And if you're new here, I would appreciate you becoming a part of my Prices family. It's free and it's fun. Simply subscribe to the channel and hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Now let's go to the snack station. Let's start off with a little cleaning of my cabinet for my snack station. I found this cabinet while thrifting about 2 years ago, and it was only $30. That's right, it was a warehouse sale, and everything was 50% off. I did a transformation, a upcycle, a redo, a refresh, whatever you want to call it, on this cabinet, and I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below. In this cabinet, I store about 50% of my blue and white chinoiserie collection. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Now the beautiful wall art is from Big Lots, and I'm so happy that they're reopening my local Big Lots. I really want to add a remote control picture light above the wall art in the near future. So if you're listening, brands out there, hit me up about a collaboration. A snack station is a great idea, especially with summertime approaching for parents. It can be a designated area on your countertop, a designated drawer, a rolling cart, and our cabinet like I'm doing here on today. Feel free to check out my curated idea list dedicated to the snack station. Of course, the link is in the bio and in the description box as well. And my store, well, it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. Now let's finish this snack station. But you knew me before I Thank you so much. I appreciate you stopping by the channel for this summer snack station inspiration. I love the way it turned out, and I use inexpensive things, decor pieces, for the snack station. The tray, I purchased that from Walmart, and it was around about $11. And the Ted tray, I purchased that from Home Goods, and that was about $19.99. And my snacks, well, they came from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree for snacks for your home. Now, until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now, gotta go. Time to do my hair, but I'll see you on the next video.